Hello students, today we discuss some applications of Newton's second law of motion, and this is the first example. In cricket, a fielder moves his arms backward in the direction of ball while taking a catch. Why the fielder moves his arms in the backward direction? Why fielder not catch the ball suddenly? What is the reason behind this? We know that the force is directly proportional to momentum, change in momentum. So this mv minus u is your change in momentum, and this is your time. If the ball stop, means when the fielder catch the ball will stop. In that case the momentum will be 0. So now we have understand what is the relation with the time. F is inversely related to time. Look at here, F is inversely related to time. If the time is more time, then less force applied, because both are inversely related. So in this case the fielder increase the interval of time. If the fielder moves his arms backward, the fielder increase the interval of time to change the momentum 0 of that particular ball. So when the time increased by the fielder, the force applied by the fielder on that ball will be less. So the ball also exert a small amount of force on the hands of the fielder. So fielder does not hurt. Now if the fielder suddenly catch the ball, in that case the time interval is very less. As less time interval, the fielder has to apply more force on the ball, and the ball also exert a large amount of force on the hands of the fielder. In that case fielder may be injured, may be hurt. So that's why the fielder moves his arms backward in the direction of the ball. Fielder want to increase the time interval to apply less amount of force on that ball. Second example we take, a karate player breaks a pile of tiles in a single blow. Okay, so in this case what happened, the player increased the rate of change of momentum by decreasing the time. See, that single blow is very fast. If he or she want to break that pile of tiles, then that particular person will apply that force in a very less amount of time. It's a very fast movement. Then what happened again? F is directly proportional to change in momentum by time. Again, if less time of interval, in a very short interval of time, the force is applied, it means the force is very large. So that force is enough to break the tiles. In a very short interval of time, the person apply the force on the pile of tiles. So this case is also related to second law of motion, that is force. If more force will be applied in less amount of time. If the time is less, the momentum, change in momentum will be more, then force will be also more. So this is the reason behind this. Many more examples are also there. Why in car passengers wear seat belts, and why athletes are advised to slowly after finishing any race. These all conditions are related to momentum, that is your Newton's second law of motion.